the Stapelia succulent. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the Stapelia plant, a fascinating and unique plant that has garnered much attention due to its amazing flowers and distinctive shape. So stay with us until the end of this video. This perennial, fleshy plant features dark green, toothed stems. Its stems are creeping, with branches that are four-angled, winged or toothed, and leafless. The plant produces hairy flowers that are large and starfish-shaped, with colors ranging from yellow, brown, and purple. The flowers appear from July to October at the ends of the branches and have an unpleasant odor. The plant's root system allows it to be grown in pots with shallow depths. The starfish cactus is an interesting bush-like cactus with flowers that are starfish-shaped with 5 lobes. These flowers come in a wide range of colors, including sulfurous brownish hues and yellow, with coppery red and purple tones, marked with distinct black and white lines. The flowers have a beautiful shine in the dark. The starflower, also known as Stapelia, is a native plant of South Africa. This cactus is also known as the starfish cactus due to its star-like shape. It does not have any body or trunk, and its stems grow directly from the center of the soil and spread out. The flowers of the starflower have a foul smell that is beneficial for attracting pollinating insects. The starflower is a resilient plant that can grow in various conditions. However, for optimal growth and flowering, it requires specific care. Maintenance. Light the frog cactus needs plenty of sunlight. Place it in a spot where it receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Watering. The frog cactus requires moderate watering. Allow the soil to dry completely between waterings. In winter, reduce watering and ensure the soil is completely dry before watering again. Temperature. The frog cactus thrives in temperatures between 10 to 25 degrees Celsius. While it can survive in higher temperatures, temperatures below 10 degrees Celsius can damage the plant. Soil. The frog cactus requires well-draining soil. A mix of garden soil, leaf mold, and sand is suitable for this plant. Fertilizing. The frog cactus does not need heavy fertilizing. During the growing season, you can use a cactus and succulent fertilizer every 2 months. Propagation. The frog cactus can be propagated through seed planting, cuttings, and division. Seed planting. Sow the seeds of the frog cactus in late winter or early spring in a mix of cactus soil and sand. Gently press the seeds into the soil and then mist with water. Place the pot in a warm, bright location and wait for the seeds to germinate. Cuttings. Take cuttings from the frog cactus in late summer or early autumn. Allow the cuttings to dry in a dry place for a few days until the callus forms. Then, plant the cuttings in a mix of cactus soil and sand. Water the cuttings lightly and wait for them to root. Division. If your plant is large enough, you can divide it. In late summer or early autumn, remove the plant from the pot and divide it into 2 or more parts. Plant each part in a separate pot. Pests and diseases of the frog cactus. The frog cactus is generally a resilient plant that is resistant to pests and diseases. However, with improper care, it may encounter some issues. Common pests affecting the frog cactus include spider mites, mealybugs, and aphids. To control these pests, you can use insecticides specifically designed for cacti and succulents. Common diseases affecting the frog cactus include root rot, leaf scorch, and soft rot. To prevent these diseases, avoid overwatering and ensure proper drainage. If your frog cactus is experiencing any of the following issues, it may need extra care. Stems are soft and wilted. This problem may be due to overwatering or improper drainage. Reduce watering and ensure the pot has adequate drainage. Flowers are not blooming. This issue may be due to insufficient light or unsuitable temperature. Move the plant to a brighter location with higher temperatures. Thank you for staying with us until the end of the video. If you have any questions or experiences with this plant, please share them in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, goodbye.